How to add friends on Temu. Want to connect with your friends on Temu but not sure how to add them? Don't worry, I will show you how in just a few simple steps. Hi there and welcome to One Stop Solution. First things first, open up your Temu app and make sure you are logged in. Next, look for the U button at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. This takes you to your personal page. At the top of this page, you will see a gear icon. Tap on it to go to your settings. Now, on this page, you will find the Share This App option. Tap on it. You are now given several ways to share the app. Whether it's through messaging, Facebook, Messenger, or even more options, pick the one that works best for you. For this example, I'm going to send the link via WhatsApp. Once selected, your contact list will pop up and you can choose who to send it to. And there you go. You have successfully added a friend on Temu. That's it. Now, you can easily connect with your friends on Temu. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Don't forget to click that bell icon so you are always in the loop. Thanks for watching.